Yeah, I think these interactive and hands-on nature of scalable labs has greatly contributed to my confidence in problem solving and troubleshooting in my assignments. Because by engaging with the real-world scenarios, these labs, I have been applying theoretical knowledge and directly, which has made these complex concepts like understandable and more manageable. So instead of just watching demonstrations or reading instruction, I get to actively engage with the material. So this practical application allow me to experiment with new skills and concepts in risk-free like environment. So which helps the understanding and build my confidence. For example, when I was learning to configure a new product, so lab gave me opportunity to practice those steps again and again. So this repetitive practice was very crucial in helping me to master that process. So when I encoded that problem during the actual implementation in the real world, so I was able to quickly diagnose and resolve that using those techniques which I have learned in the lab. So it saved significant time and reduced the downtime for me. So in my experience, scalable labs have been more effective than the other learning method which I have used, because I see in transactional trainings method often involve passive learning, such as just watching video or just reading manuals, which can be less engaging and even harder to retain. So, but in contrast, if we compare with scalable labs, so they are highly interactive and hands-on approach. So they allow me like actively engage with the material and apply what I have learned in real-time scenarios. So this practical experience not only like enforces my understanding, but also build my confidence in using the tool and concepts. So yeah, overall, I can say interactive nature and practical applications of scalable labs make them more superior than traditional learning methods.